Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram web page not available problem. So first up, what you can try is to clear your Instagram's cache. So just head to your phone settings, then look for general, and then select iPhone storage. Then from here, we're just going to look for the Instagram app. So right over here, and then select offload app, and then finally reinstall the app afterwards. Now, if that doesn't help, you can also try forcing or force exiting Instagram and then reopening it. So when your Instagram is open like this, just swipe from the upper part and then close it like this, and then relaunch your Instagram. Now, if that doesn't work as well, you can also check if you have any pending updates on your phone. So just head to General and then check for software updates. Then make sure your device is up to date. And you can also check the App Store for any Instagram updates that you might need, as updating your apps is always good and prevents you from encountering bugs and issues. So just check if there's any updates. And if not, then you should be good to go. Just also make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that you won't encounter problems such as web page not available. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.